Here we have stoichiometry worksheet number 3. Number 4 is solved in another one, but I wanted to do number 1 with you as well to teach you how to convert mass to mass. This is what chemists will do most often. We can measure these things with a balance, a scale, and so this is what we will typically see a chemist do when they're doing chemical reactions. They will try to produce some amount of mass. They will try to predict how much reactant they need, how much product they need, and that all comes back down to something they can measure simply in lab, which is mass. So here is a reaction: lithium hydroxide, hydrogen bromide or hydrobromic acid, lithium bromide, and water. Here we have 10 grams, 10.0 grams of lithium hydroxide. We're trying to get to grams of lithium bromide. So X line, drag down the unit, lithium hydroxide. Trying to get to grams of lithium bromide. Except again, when you do these conversions, think about what you can do and what you cannot do, what you have a conversion for. We do not have a conversion for grams of lithium hydroxide per gram of lithium bromide. It would be different for every reaction, every chemical. There's no place to look that up for this gram to gram conversion. So we have to convert grams of lithium hydroxide into something that we can convert grams into. The only thing we have to convert grams of lithium hydroxide to is moles of lithium hydroxide. And you do that using the molar masses. 1 mole is equal to 23.948 grams of lithium hydroxide. So now at this point I know how many molecules or formula units of lithium hydroxide I have. But I need to convert to something else, moles of lithium bromide. So I will keep moving forward. X line, drag down the unit. Moles lithium hydroxide. Now, I can convert this to a few things. I can convert it back to grams of lithium hydroxide. I could convert it to molecules of lithium hydroxide. But I need to get to lithium bromide. I wish I could do grams of lithium bromide, but I don't have that available. I don't have that conversion, moles of lithium hydroxide to grams of lithium bromide. But what I do have for my balanced chemical equation is moles. It's not written here, but if it's not written and it's already balanced, they're all assumed to be 1. And when I say assume, I mean you go back and check and make sure this is balanced as is 1, 1, 1, 1. It is. So that means 1 mole of lithium bromide is equal to 1 mole of lithium hydroxide. Question's asking for grams, so I need to keep going. X line, drag down the unit. Just to highlight, mole ratio. The only thing new with this unit for stoichiometry, which means again Greek words, measure elements, mole ratio. For every lithium hydroxide I will produce 1 mole of lithium bromide. For every molecule of lithium hydroxide, 1 molecule of lithium bromide. For every 1 million molecules lithium hydroxide, 1 million molecules lithium bromide. 1 billion, 1 billion. 1 mole, 1 mole. 1 mole, 1 mole. Here we're trying to convert to grams. This is something that I can do. Lithium bromide, lithium bromide. X line, drag down the unit. Moles lithium bromide, moles lithium bromide. You can convert moles to grams by using the molar mass, which you find on the PT, the periodic table. You can still draw your diagonals with some vigor. grams of lithium hydroxide, grams of lithium hydroxide, moles lithium hydroxide, moles lithium hydroxide, moles lithium bromide, moles lithium bromide, all cancel out. I am left with grams of lithium bromide, which is what the question is asking for. Type this into your calculator, round to proper sig figs, and you'll get the correct answer, 36.3. Remember, multiply the numerators, divide by the denominators. This mass to mass is actually very repetitive because you'll be given the mass, so you'll always convert the moles first, always use the mole ratio, then you're ending up with a mass, asking for a mass, and so you'll use molar mass at the end. It does come down to the 3 steps of stoich, which are worth mentioning now. The first step is to convert to moles. Whatever you're given, convert it to moles. If you have moles already, that's good, then you don't have to convert to moles. The second step would be to use the mole ratio, which is what this is here. Here's us converting to moles. Here's us using the mole ratio. And then the third step would be convert to desired unit, which is what we did over here, converting to grams of lithium bromide. It'll get repetitive. Once you know it, this will be relatively easy to do. Until you know it, it's just about impossible to guess your way through and have offsetting mistakes to get you the correct answer. But this is possible. Feel free to seek out extra help, ask questions, and I will be glad to help you. You can replay this video often. Again, number 4 is also done on another screencast. Number 4 is a fairly challenging problem because you have to recall how to generate formulas from Word, from names, then predict products. So it'll take some effort, it'll take some time, and I'll be glad to help when you can, and I look forward to you understanding this because I know you can do it.